No, my lord. Today only motion for listed for motion, my lord. Yes, first thing.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
PS, my lord.
My lord,
My lord, already search it.
it is such case.
Scan copy
And
of
from the
LCR.
same search sheet ballot, another accused person already filed a bail petition before this honorable court, which is pending. So maybe come up with that case. My lord, BA 2013. And Uddin Malak. I am N Uddin Malak. Yes, sir. Lord, Special Judge Kamrup, my lord, Amingaon.
Scan copy of LCR and CD, my lord. On my lord.
My lord, actually, my lord, that was 6 on 9, my lord. But tomorrow I have not seen the list, my lord. So fine, the same matter will come.
On 21/8, my lord. Yes.
Yes, my lord. BA 2013. 2013, 2024.
Yes, my lord, arising out of the 156(3) petition. Right, my lord. Yes, my lord. Lordship, point taken. Yes, my lord. And my lord, even though the hearing on the merits as to the contents of the petition was concluded, Lordship raised a pertinent query on the earlier occasion as to the, my lord, the necessity of 151 and 154(3) being mandatory, and what are the subsequent judicial dicta after Priyanka Srivastava's matter. And my lord had directed the parties, if interested, would submit a written submission of their summary as well as the judgment. Lordship, I have submitted that to the bench as directed today, my lord. And my lord, there are additional judgments 6 to 8. So, my lord, possibly there will be some deliberation required, my lord. And
so then we will have it on another date.
Yes, my lord, that would be convenient.
That would be better. Today you have submitted some.
My lord, the written submission for the petitioners have been submitted to the bench.
Mr. D.K. Vaidya, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted written arguments in the matter.
Summary, yes, my lord. And the judgments, my lord.
And the relevant judgments. And the same is kept on record. List again for hearing on such and such date. 19th or Pisod Day. On 22nd?
22nd.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
Not inconvenient. 22nd. Deeply obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 3.
I will actually. This court is, I think, Mr. Chaudhary, your criminal appeal is also there, where this court was supposed to. Mr. Bhattakur, you are there. We'll try to take that up, because on the last occasion I have heard, so things are fresh. I will try to see if we can dispose of. So your matter you take on another date. When do you want it, Mr. Dekka?
Next date. Maybe
Due to paucity of time, this matter could not be taken up today. List again on such and such date. Item 3 to Balagal did you? After 19th did you? But next week did you? You want next week? All right.
Put diary on side.
Okay, next.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Bhattakur, Mr. Chaudhary.
But I have concluded on the last.
Yes. Item number. No, sorry. Yeah.
Tomorrow evidence come down.
Yes.
Well, otherwise, in this case, Your Lordship, regarding the difficulty, Your Lordship has already regarding on that day regarding the ZD entry made on my Lord 17-1 before the date of the lodging affair, and Your Lordship regarding only that, because of that aspect, my Lord, there is something is there that on that day Your Lordship queried that some doubt has been created regarding the present case, along with while after going through the version of the statement of the depositions of the victim, along with my Lord 164 statement. So now, my Lord,
No,
while,
because here there are two things, right, Mr. Borthakur?
yes, my Lord.
One, just the dates. Mr. Chaudhary, you can also help.
Yes.
Uh, date of occurrence is roughly
Date of occurrence is, my lord, 7 months ago from the date of filing of the FIR.
7 months from FIR.
FIR.
And date of knowledge is in between, because she had come to the hospital and thereafter she was sent with the accused.
Yes.
And when the accused returned her back, it is after that the FIR has been filed, correct?
The day on which she was admitted in the hospital is nowhere reflected in their evidence or in FIR.
So, but it's somewhere it is mentioned.
Yes.
Where is it mentioned?
Date is not mentioned.
No, I'm not. Date is not mentioned.
Not mentioned.
But that means in between 7 months.
After detecting 7 months pregnancy, FIR was filed. But the thing is that on the first occasion when they got to know about the pregnancy of the victim girl, what happened? According to their story.
That is what I am saying. According to their story.
Yes.
Therefore, that is after 7 months or within 7 months. That visit hospital, because the first time the girl disclosed about the rape is when she was admitted in the hospital where
yes,
she was detected
Yes.
of
7 months
conceiving.
pregnant.
Correct.
Yes.
At that time, she first disclosed
Yes.
to her sister-in-law,
Yes.
who is not examined
Not
in the
examined,
matter.
not examined.
And thereafter, the family members,
Yes.
with the help of those
Yes.
Samithi people,
Mahila
Mahila
Samiti,
committee
Vivat
and
Mahila.
all, sent her to the house of the accused.
Yes.
Thereafter, the accused brought her and give her back to the
Yes.
police station. Correct?
Yes.
After all these incidents, FIR was lost.
Exactly.
Yes.
That is why even that is important.
Yes.
So I needed that date. Is that date not coming out from anywhere? Is
Yes,
it
my
every-
Lord. That is, my Lord,
Give me those three
date,
dates.
my lord, FIR date is 27/8/2019.
27/8/19.
2019.
and this ZD entry number is 268. 2009. dated
GD entry is
on 17/2/2019
17/19.
to 2019.
No, 17, not 2, 17/8.
17?
8, my lord.
17/8.
17/8/2019.
Are you sure the GD
Yes,
entry
yes.
is part of the paper book?
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Yes, 17/8.
17/8.
17/8.
17/8 2019.
17/8 is GD entry.
Yes.
Yes.
And the GD entry says so and so, daughter of so and so, has only informed me, appearing in the outpost, that Dul Bora
Yes.
has made her pregnant by establishing physical relation with her. As such, after sending her for medical examination, I have handed over her custody to her father. You see, this gives a very different.
Yes.
It mentions about some Dulbora,
Yes,
the
Dulbora.
GD entry, and this information is said to be given by the victim herself.
Yes.
But this police officer, Tonkeshwar Gogoi,
He was not examined.
he was not examined.
Not examined.
My Lord, if it
Now, non-examination of Tonkeshwar Gogoi and the sister-in-law
Sister-in-law.
certainly creates a doubt in the mind of the court
My Lord.
that maybe if these two witnesses have been brought,
Yes.
then perhaps the story could have been different,
Different.
isn't it?
Yes.
Non-examination, because he appears to be a vital witness,
vital
because it is he who first got the information.
Yes. Otherwise,
And
my Lord,
that book, what's her name? That sister-in-law,
Bonikon.
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 First, it was to her. She is also not brought. These are two things which are going against the prosecution, number one. And now, if you see the version of the victim, let's go PW2.
PW2.
Mr. Bhattakur, read PW2.
My lord, PW2 victim. Informant Mamoni Hazarika is my mother.
1 second. Yes, please.
Informant Mamoni Hazarika is my mother. Incident occurred about 2-3 years ago. On the day of the incident, while I was alone in my house, accused Povitra Hazarika